We developed the VISTA Flex to complete the VISTA family. This is our linear marker products. We have VISTA SX and LRX, which are rigid solutions. And as you can see, VISTA Flex is flexible. This product range, again, should be used in every type of project we have in Zumtobel Group. Education, healthcare, commercial office, retail, etc., etc. The customer for these applications require a dot-free and homogeneous lit effect, bend options, and high CRI. And most importantly for this type of product, it's a competitive price point. We feel we have the perfect solution on all fronts here. Flexible linear IP67 marker lighting system complements the VISTA family, so it's LRX and SX now have the addition of VISTA Flex. Material, the VISTA Flex is made from silicone. It's competitive, so specification and price point. With a CRI of 93 and pixel variant, we have a very competitive specification for this product. So the product is versatile with bend options, various color temperatures, RGBW and pixel, multiple connection feeds and mounting options. This product is extremely versatile. The VISTA Flex provides perfect clean lines with no visible joints. This is achieved with the injection molded end caps that allow the fitting to be butt up next to each other so they perfectly meet. We also have a dot-free homogeneous lit effect that adds to the clean look of the product. So the construction of the product is it's made from very high quality silicone. The reason we chose to make the product from silicone is it's almost completely water repellent. Silicone also outperforms PU at low and high temperatures. So a high temperature ambient range for silicone is -40 to +55 or 60 degrees C. And in PU, the ambient temperature is -25 to maybe +40 or +45 degrees C. So we've also added anti-transpiration blocks on the cables for extra IP protection. All these elements provide the specification for IP67, IK8, and the products can be working in environments of -25 C to +50 C. The versatility of VISTA Flex. So here today we have a top bend product. So the reason we say it's a top bend is the top of the product is the illuminating part, and then it obviously is bending, flexing in and out, as you can see on that table. And then we have the side bend. So again, the lit surface of the product is on the top edge here, and then it's bending sideways. Okay, so we see that the side bend, as you can see from the way that we've set it out, would possibly be used to create, drama, create patterns on the side of buildings. Maybe if you mounted it on a canopy around the building facing downwards, it would wrap and flow with the shape of the building. Whereas the top bend, as you can see it here, if it was mounted the way it was, so this would be your building facade, and it could possibly wrap, kind of come round columns, been used in that manner. So the two versions of the product that we have here today are the top bend in white, so standard white, which we have the 3 color temperatures, 2.7, 3K, 4K. And then up here, we have the side bend in RGBW, which the white element as standard is 2700K. So I can show you how quickly we can cycle through the colors just with a simple controller. So if I just select purple, we can cycle all the way through in the different colors. So again, you can see how clean and homogeneous the lit effect is. You don't see any dots. And there we go. So we have a pixel variant for the VISTA Flex. Pixel is something that's been requested many times for VISTA SX and VISTA LRX, but currently this isn't a standard option. With a pixel version, you can create light shows and images, and you can control increments of the product along. So that's like a standard. We can put that, and we'll show that in the product guide. Those increments are also your cut dimensions. So for each variant, so whether it's standard white, RGBW, dynamic white, or pixel, those cut variations differ. So the standard lengths that we are offering across the whole product range as an average are 300 millimeters, 600 millimeters, 900 millimeters, 1.2 meters, 3 meters, 6 meters, and 10 meters. So the dynamic white, RGBW, and pixel are only available in up to 3 meters. We also have a number of different mounting options. So we have mounting clips and we have aluminium extrusions, so we can show you those in more detail now. So mounting accessories, as I said, we'll show you those. So this is a top bend product. As you can see, the lit surface here. This is a top bend extrusion. So you literally take the product and just push that into there. So you can see that that actually finishes really flush. And it's actually quite difficult to get that out once that's in. You can see that it does take a little bit of force to remove that from the extrusion. The next accessory that we have are the mounting clips. So this is the side bend, this is the top bend again. So when you push that into the extrusion, so it will be secured with a screw in the bottom, and it grips into this side edge. So we can have a look at that in practice on the wall up here in the side bend. So we have a clip on the wall. We take the product, and we push that into the clip. So those are the mounting accessories. So when ordering your products for your project, you would order as close as possible to the individual runs that are required. So if you require a 5.6 meter run, order a 5 meter reel with a 600mm end piece, so then there are no cuts required. The last resort really for us would be to make a cut in the product at the end of the run. So we do provide an end cap which can be manually put onto the end of the product. We'll sell a cutting tool which we have here, and I'll show you how you cut the product. So when you take the product there, if you turn it over to the back side on the top, you can see that there are little scissor marks all the way along the back of the product, these little black lines. So they're quite straightforward. So then you take the product, line it up on your cut tool, and that's it. So you can see we've got a really clean cut. So then we put the injection molded end cap on there, and that's it. Your run's complete.